Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you disable your app notification in your Vivo phone. Guys, you want to disable your app notification in your Vivo phone, so guys you can disable it. And guys, now let's see how to disable app notification in our Vivo phone. Guys, in this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you disable your apps notification like Instagram, Maps, Google, Chrome, setting notification. Guys, you want to disable in your Vivo phone, you can disable. So first of all, open your phone setting to disable your app notification. Then guys, scroll it and guys you can see your notifications. Tap here guys, click on app setting and guys tap here and guys click on all apps. So as you can see your all app list and which app guys you want to disable your notification like. So guys you will have to click on this blue icon. So guys you can disable your like browser notification, Chrome notification, like Google Drive, and with this notification guys you want to disable it. So you can disable from here like Google notification, Gmail notification, Instagram notification. So which app guys you want to disable your app notification, so you can disable from here. Click on all apps and guys this blue icon, tap here to disable it. So your app notification will disable in your Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to disable app notification in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.